Hi guys, today I got a new toy. This is a plant and it is called the FX808. This looks very nice on the box. On the left it is an RC as we know, and it has a night light. I think this would be cool. It has a big battery and this is a 2.4 GHz wireless technology, as well as this dual voltage protection. You can see the shape of the plants right here, an actual plant. This is a clear plastic cover, and let's take a look at what we have here. Let me move the box to a side. Okay, so here this is the characteristics of the model. I will not read the whole thing, but let's see what this is. Okay, this is including a full set of flying equipment. Okay, and it can fly inside of the house. Also, this is an EPP materials. This is like very soft, so you can fly inside the house, and if you hit something, this will not break. And this is a glider. It's the shape of the plants. It has a light. This is suitable for night light. Let's take a look at the control. This is an antenna on the top here. Power LED. Okay, this turn left and right basically, and you have the power switch right here, and this is a minute adjustment. Of course, this is for forward and backward. Okay, and this is technical data: the length, the weight, wingspan, control range, flight time 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, and it requires 6 AA batteries. So let me open the box. Okay guys, so this is the time for us to open the box. I will start from this side. I'll open this and take out the foam here. Let me take it out. So I'll take it out with the box to the side. Okay, so this is the menu of the plant. This is written in Chinese. I can't read Chinese, so just put it to a side. We may not need this at all. So this is the control. Let's take a look at the control here. Okay, it's look very nice, and I like the big control like this because I can feel it is more comfortable to hold. And this is the USB connector. Let's see what we have inside of the bags here. It's the wheels. I think it will attach to the plant somehow. And the USB. I push the USB to the side. And this is the plates. Okay. I put it to the side here. Let me take the airplane out. So let me take out the plant. Oh, this is very light. And oh, these are just for spares. Okay, so we will not use it at this time. We just, in case this one is broken or something, you will use these to replace. So I put these to a side. And this wheels, where should I attach it to? Oh, right here. Here you go. You can see it's right here. I'll attach it to this side. Let me try to see how I can attach it. Let me put this one down first. You just need to bend the wires a bit and then push it inside. You can see how I do it. Bend it and put it inside. And this is how it looks like. And here you go. This is the RC plan. I will show you guys how to fly later. And if you have any questions about the plan, feel free to leave me a question on the comment section. I'll tell you whatever I know. So thank you for watching guys. See you next time. Bye bye.
Hi everyone. First of all, I want to thank you for supporting my channel. Today I will make a review of the HA Mini Quadcopter.